welcome to Rentio Toor Dal videos. I am Chef Shivani Mehta. One of the most popular recipes of Middle East. Any guesses? Correct. Falafel. Today I am going to make dal falafel along with pita bread and beetroot hummus. We will also serve fresh, crunchy salad along with this dish. So are you all ready for this tempting recipe? Then let's start making.
Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chase. It puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chase. It puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. I wonder where they're going, the flight of swallows sailing through the sky. There's no way of knowing, but maybe someplace far from you and I. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun.
I know you love this recipe, so don't forget to try and also share the recipe with your family and friends. Thank you for being with us.
Dancing through the last days of September.